I'm talking with Chris Randazzo from Family Life at the C12 conference. Chris, what can you share with me about your ministry?
Well, Family Life, first of all, is a ministry of Cru, which used to be called Campus Crusade for Christ. A lot of people don't realize that. We are part of that ministry. And Family Life is all about helping couples to build oneness in marriage. So we've got a conference we call the Weekend Remember Getaway. We have various resources that we have provided for couples to essentially understand what is God's purpose and plan for marriage, and then give them practical tools for how they can build oneness together in marriage.
What would you say is the most fun thing you get to do working in full-time ministry?
Me? Oh my. Well, probably one of my favorite things is being able to work with pastors, to share with pastors about the resources that we have. A lot of pastors, they're pastoring a small church, they're kind of out there on their own, and it's nice for them not to have to reinvent the wheel, and we come alongside and like a parachurch organization and provide good resources that they can use to build the couples and the marriages in their church. Aside from that, we believe in pastors so much. We actually will fully scholarship for a senior pastor or any full-time paid associate pastor that they could attend the conference. We can remember with the registration fully scholarship. They could attend the conference. We can remember with the registration fully scholarship. It's that important.
Wow, that's amazing. So what if somebody who's looking at my blog, looking at this video right now, heard that and is thinking they'd like to scholarship their pastor for a conference? What can they do to make that happen?
Well, you call 1-800-FL-TODAY, and they don't have to scholarship them. We've already got a donor who's provided the funds for that. So their registration will be covered, but if they really want to go the extra mile for them, they can pay their hotel room or give them a little extra cash for food or travel. That'd be a fun thing to do.
Great. Well, thank you so much for this time, and thank you for everything you do for the kingdom.
Absolutely welcome.